Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Glory Be His Word. These are the 5 fruits I'm going to be using for my fruit salad. I have seedless grape over here, very juicy and sweet. I have cucumber. I have 2 oranges, 1 green apple and watermelon. This in combination is going to make our fruit salad for us today. Please, if this is your first time in this channel, please can you kindly click on the subscription button down there and subscribe. Thank you so much as you do that, and God bless you. And if you have also subscribed, I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate your subscription, and I pray that God remembers you all too. So this is my watermelon, and I'm going to be cutting it into 2 parts. See how red this watermelon is. Oh my God, I'm so lucky. Sometimes I don't really get the ripe one. I don't know if that happens to you too. Sometimes you get the one that is not so ripe, and I really don't like the color, but this is red and very nice. Please guys, when you watch my video, leave a comment in the comment section. You know, if you want me to prepare some kind of food or whatever kind of food or recipe, whatever you think, and you're just thinking, how do I get this? Please leave it in the comment section and let me know. Let's try to interact in this channel so we make it more fun for each other. Okay, guys? Thank you so much as you do that. I appreciate it. Whatever advice you have, you are welcome to drop it in the comment section. I noticed a lot of people use, um, you know, different kind of fruits for, um, what's it called, fruit salad. But for me, why I'm using these 5 fruits is because everybody in my home eats these 5 fruits. There are some people they are allergic to pineapple, some are allergic to kiwi, But these 5 fruits I've picked, I know my family eats it. And that's why I'm using these 5 fruits so that nobody complains about allergy. Different people with different kind of allergy. So that's my reason of using my 5 fruit. You feel free to use the kind of fruits that your family welcomes. Okay, guys? So that is it for me, and I love them. They are sweet, they are very juicy, and they are very healthy. This is the last fruit I'm adding to the bowl, and I'll be mixing it up. I'll be adding lemon juice, squeeze little lemon into it, about a half a lemon, and I'll also be adding a tablespoon of honey into it just to give it some sweet taste. So guys, this is my fruit salad. It's ready. I'll be putting it into the fridge to cool for some time. I appreciate your time. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to click on that subscription button to subscribe. See you on my next video.